Hi guys, and welcome to today's journal. And funny enough, the journal is about the journal. And so we're going to just chat a bit about why we created the journal, the reason behind it, and how it all works to give you some perspective on that rather than we're just making this journal as we go along. So when we started, we thought we're going to have to probably make a website, or we didn't know how we were going to promote the products we wanted to promote. Then comes a question, and one of the things is that there are four types of ways that people, well, probably five. One is you can send them straight to the product, and that might work if you're selling red dresses and you can send them to red dresses, for example, on a shop with an affiliate link. But other than that, the other ways that they do is what they call a bridge page, which is a page between your affiliate link and the product. And we'll cover off quickly what those pages are. So we see here they've got what they call a pogo page, or just a jump page where you bounce probably from your link into the product without too much information. You've got a quiz funnel, and we've got a funnel on this website. Are you ready to start affiliate marketing? Which answers that question. Lead gen page is where you add your email address to get something of reward back. It might be an article or something like that. And in exchange for that article, you give your email address and then they can further market to you. The fourth way is what we're doing here, which is what they call an advertorial or an article bridge page. And what they would do is create like an artificial article, send you to the article where you'd learn more about the product, build your interest in that product, and then they would pass you then on to the product. And that's the basics, I suppose, of what this journal was all about, that we've chosen that path to promote our affiliate products. And I'm going to go through that in a little bit more detail. I think one of the main differences with Braintelix is we're not inventing fake articles or posts to bring people to the next level. We're documenting real stories and our journey as we go. We thought, well, we don't want to sit here and make stuff up. Let's just document our journey in a realistic way from someone starting out from nowhere, which is pretty well what we're doing. And we're documenting this journey. One of the biggest things when people are getting started is there's a lot of information overload. How do we start? Where do we get going? And that's the idea of this journal and following the journey. And probably with every journal, we try and attack a topic that we're not struggling with, or we're trying to work out, trying to get through in the order that we're doing to try and put this business together. So it's hopefully in a sequential way that we're able to do that. But after you've read the article is where the real stuff happens, and you don't want to leave a person after they've read the article to be wondering, okay, what do I do next? You want to have what's your next step, and that's really the important part, or where the affiliate marketing comes into what we're doing at the moment. So and you will notice that Braintelix, after each article we post, we do have a next step, which then either takes them onto a product, or it would take them on to learn some more about what we're doing. So I'll show you an example of that in this article itself. So the article itself that you're currently reading is what we're talking about. So we'll show you how that works. Now, just before we show you how that works, the real lessons here are that, okay, we're building this journal, but the lessons we're learning and how we're able to put this website together will stand tall for any other product that we want to promote. So we might do woodworking. I want to promote woodworking options or something like that, rather than building an affiliate business. So we can take the concept that we learned from building this website and turn it into a new type of affiliate program using the same logic. So you're not learning something once and never using it again. The lessons you learn by building this part will teach you how to move forward with different products as you go ahead. If we can just grab that. So I just want to show you how that works. So after we've read the post, you can see here, ready to build your journal. And this is the next step where you can, once the person's come to your site, they've read the post, you then offer, okay, you've read this, here is your next step. So this one says, if you'd like to continue doing it, one of the reasons you can do is you can go to the ClickBank Profit Club. It includes a free blogging workshop, which is quite extensive, shows you how to set up a blog, how to do your posts and all the bits and pieces. And we'll go there and have a look at that now. So just give me 2 seconds. So this is some of the stuff you can get for free. So this one's just about the blogging workshop. It explains why you should be blogging and the reasons for it. You get a tour of John's blog, so you get to see what he's doing, how he's doing it. You're physically seeing how we're doing it on our own domain. Teaches you how to get a domain and hosting, and we've covered some of that. Installing WordPress, if you want to do that. Manage plugins, they're the different, give you the different options on your website. Install a theme, that's how the dress or the look of your website. We've got a Hester plugin. Honestly, I don't know what the Hester plugin is. We don't have that on our website, but I'm sure John would explain that there. How to create your about us page, your edit your page, your affiliate links, how they go in, your first blog post, your second blog post, setting permalinks. Now, permalink is something we've introduced to our website. So, for example, in our website, we match the permalink to our blog number. So this particular blog post is number 6, so our permalink will be /006 for the want of a better word. Legal pages, footers, bits and pieces, menu items, top promo bar type thing, editing your sidebar, updating your bio, getting the most from your blog. And lastly, if you did want someone to help you do it because you're brand new, you can get that built for you as well to save you that, and then you're sort of just adding your blogs as you go. So that's a little bit about what we do. So we transition from the article into a what to do next. And you can see down the bottom, join free and start the blogging workshop, because as a free member, you get access to that. It's in one of the training tabs up the top, and you can go ahead and get underway and start to duplicate what we're doing here now. So part of that progress. And just before we log off today, I'm going to quickly show you one of the other websites that we're starting to work on. So you can get a look at that and understand what we're doing there as well. 2 secs. So you can see here, this is the template we'll be using for a new website. It won't be called Braintelix, it's got a different name. But that will be the home page for that website. But it will be built out. It won't be a journal as such, it'll be more information than a journal on this particular website. But the same building blocks or concept to put the website together will be exactly the same. And we're not going to mention the name of this site just yet, but we'll bring that up as we move forward. We'll go further into further journals. So that's it for today. Thanks for your time. But that gives you some concept of what are these guys doing, why they're posting these journals. It is one of the types of bridge pages you use in affiliate marketing. Like I said, there are other options you can use as well. This is one we've chosen to work with and the reason why we're working with it. Stay cool and we'll chat soon. Cheers.